Hello everyone, and welcome back to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change permissions for all folders and everything inside it all at once. This is called a recursive change, and it saves you from having to type the command 50 times for every single file. This process is straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Because changing permissions recursively is very powerful, we want to do this safely first. So let's create a folder with some files inside it so we can see how it works. So just simply open your terminal by going to the Apps menu, then Terminal. Now inside your terminal, just simply copy and paste the simple commands that you can find in the description box below. Paste mkdir space -p space recursive_demo / subfolder. Then hit Enter. Now paste the second command, touch recursive_demo / file1.txt space recursive_demo / subfolder / file2.txt and then hit Enter. Now this just created a folder named recursive_demo with files hidden inside it. Now we are going to use the chmod command with a very specific flag, which is -R or capital R, that stands for recursive. It tells the computer, change this folder, and then drill down and change every single file inside it too. So we will set the permission to 755, which is a standard setting. That lets the owner do everything, but others only read. So you can copy and paste the command from the description box below. Paste chmod space -R space 755 space recursive_demo. Paste it right over here. Now hit Enter. It happens instantly. If you didn't see any error, that means it worked. So now let's prove that it actually changed the file deep inside the folder, not just the outside folder. So we'll use the list command with the R flag to look inside everything. Just simply copy and paste this command again. Paste ls space -lr space recursive_demo. Then hit Enter. So when you hit Enter, look at the permissions on the left-hand side. You should see they all match, showing that your command successfully traveled down into every subfolder. And that's it. You now know how to recursively change permissions to fix an entire directory in seconds. I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.